Hi there, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are tackling a common maintenance task, changing the engine air filter on a Honda Civic 8th generation. But before we dive in, if you need the part number for the filter or want to show some love for the channel, check out the video description below. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Disconnect the connector from the mass airflow sensor located on the top of the filter housing. Also, unclip the wiring from the two clips holding it in place and set it aside. Be cautious, especially if the engine is hot, to avoid damaging the connector by keeping it away from the hot exhaust components. With the wiring out of the way, unclip all 4 metal clips, securing the filter cover in place. Gently wiggle the cover towards the front of the car to remove it, revealing the old filter element. If there is any dust in the upper part of the filter housing, wipe it down and inspect the sealing surface on both halves of the filter housing. Next, install the new filter element into the bottom part of the airbox, ensuring it sits snugly. To reattach the upper part of the filter housing, start by sliding the plastic clip into the metal clip at the back of the bottom part. Then, secure the metal clips back in place. Don't forget to reconnect the mass airflow sensor and you are all set. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy wrenching!